My name's Jim Fairweather and I'm the CEO of Australia's largest, oldest and only national collector and recycler of tyres, Tyrecycle. We're here today at our brand new Erskine Park facility. We've invested over $10 million here in state-of-the-art equipment and we're really excited to show it to you. Before Tyrecycle came into being almost 30 years ago now, all these tyres would have been landfilled. They were stockpiled illegally, they went into creeks, they went into paddocks. They were just completely unmanaged and an environmental disaster really for Australia. 60 to 70,000 tonnes of whole bale tyres was going offshore to really poor environmental outcomes. This is the single most important watershed moment we have had in the tyre recycling sector in 30 years. We must manage our own waste and plants like this will allow us to do that. Tyrecycle now processes almost 20 million tyres every year. This plant, like others that will be investing millions of dollars in around Australia, will add to Australia's capability to process tyres into higher value-added items, tyre-derived products that can be used in a range of different industrial applications.
The public are starting to become more and more conscious of where the end-of-life tyres are going. So essentially when a tyre enters our facility, we give that tyre a new lease on life and produce the world's best end-of-life products, granules, tyre-derived fuel and rubber crumb.
Most exciting has to be what's behind me, our new plant, getting that fully operational and getting the maximum out of this. And then I guess part of it would be to share the learnings from this plant with our existing facilities.
We have the pillars to build a really successful team here. We're all on the same page in regards to what we need to do as a business to recycle tyres and be successful in doing so.
The end-of-life tyre market is massive. We've got a good percentage of it, but there's still a lot of tyres that's not responsibly recycled. So there's an opportunity for us. You know, it was really exciting to join an organisation where I could actually do something for the environment and for my kids and for the future.
What drives us is managing Australia's tyre waste responsibly. We have a much higher percentage of our tyre-derived products being consumed domestically, not only in the form of rubber crumb and going into roads and tile adhesives, but also in terms of TDF or tyre-derived fuel being consumed here domestically. For us to be able to start consuming that here is a massive next step, and I see that as the big thing that will happen in the next 5 years. So here we are at the end of the road, pardon the pun. The road is exactly where this black sand that we've produced will go, turning tyres into a product that's less than 1 millimetre in size. And we're really excited about what the future holds as together we progress Australia's circular economy.